Diamonds are objects of desire. Their brilliance and fire captivate us. But what if we could create these treasures in a lab? Today we can. Lab-grown diamonds are not imitations. They are real diamonds, chemically identical to those from the Earth. They possess the same physical and optical properties, the only difference, their origin. These diamonds, born of technology, are gaining popularity. Consumers appreciate their ethical and environmental advantages. They also offer a wider range of choices at more accessible prices. The chemical vapor deposition, or CVD method, is a fascinating journey of creation. It mimics the natural conditions under which diamonds form. This process requires sophisticated technology and controlled environments. It all begins with a tiny seed, a thin slice of a pre-existing diamond. This seed is placed in a sealed chamber. The chamber is then heated to extremely high temperatures, around 800 degrees Celsius. Next, gases like methane and hydrogen are pumped into the chamber. These gases contain carbon atoms, the building blocks of diamonds. The intense heat breaks down the gases into individual atoms. These carbon atoms then rain down on the seed. Layer by layer, atom by atom, the diamond grows. The process takes several weeks to complete. The result is a rough diamond ready for cutting and polishing. Lab-grown diamonds offer a compelling alternative to mined diamonds. They are ethically sourced. Their production does not involve any exploitative labor practices. This makes them a guilt-free choice for consumers. They are also environmentally friendly. The diamond mining industry has a significant environmental footprint. Lab-grown diamonds, on the other hand, have a much lower impact. Their production requires less energy and resources. Moreover, lab-grown diamonds offer greater transparency. Consumers can trace the origin of their diamonds. They can be sure that their purchase supports ethical and sustainable practices. The future of lab-grown diamonds is bright. As technology advances, production costs are decreasing. This makes lab-grown diamonds increasingly accessible to a wider market. We see their applications expanding beyond jewelry. Lab-grown diamonds are finding their way into various industries. Their exceptional hardness and thermal conductivity make them ideal for use. Lab-grown diamonds represent a fascinating intersection of science and luxury. They are a testament to human ingenuity, and they hold the promise of a more ethical and sustainable future for the diamond industry.